I'm Virginia Lindsay of Gingercake Patterns and Design, and today I'm going to show you how to add eyelets to your sewing project. I just created this new sewing pattern. It's called the bucket bag, and I love it so much. I've been using these bags for months now, and I finally just released the sewing pattern. And one thing that people have been saying to me is that they're a little afraid to put the eyelets in. And this is so easy, and I just wanted to take the big mystery out of it and show you guys how to do it. I actually, before I made this bag, this was my first sample bag, and I used this bag for months this winter, and it's a little dirty, and I want to wash it so I can keep using it because it's really fun. It matches tons of outfits. And one thing I did though, I cheated, and I just poked the holes, and I didn't actually ever put the eyelets in. So I'm going to show you guys on this bag how I put the eyelets in. Okay, grommets and eyelets are practically the same thing. Grommets are just bigger. So some people call these grommets, and but eyelets are the little ones that we're going to use here to make this cute drawstring gather. Okay, so I'm going to bring you in close, and I'm going to show you the two methods you can use.
Okay, I ordered this Dritz eyelet pliers. I think I ordered it on Amazon for like $18, and this makes putting eyelets in super fast. It does two sizes, 1/4 inch and the 5/32 inch. So I just usually do 1/4 inch eyelets, but this is super fast. But if you're going to do a lot of eyelets, if you love doing this, I would buy this because I'm going to show you how fast it is. But the other thing you can just get, I bought these at Walmart. These are the eyelets, and this is the tool. This was like a couple bucks, and it works great also. So I'm going to first show you how to use this and then show you this one. Okay, I already put two in with the bag with the tool, and you can see I did one properly and I did one backwards. So I'm just going to leave that backwards in one because it doesn't really matter. I'll just put it in the back of the bag maybe. But I wanted to make sure that you could see the difference, and you want to make it forwards, obviously. So all that we're going to do is take, eyelets come in they come in this whole jumble, and it's two sizes. It's the one, it has this little, if you can see, it has like a nice little ridge in the back, like it goes up a little higher, and then kind of a wider, flatter one also. You can see that. And the wider, the one with the ridge goes on the front. And I poked these little holes in with just an awl or something. If you purchase this, it will make the holes for you, and it makes the whole thing a lot easier. But this is no big deal either. You just if you're just doing one bag, I would just buy this toolkit. So I made the hole the right size, big enough, and you kind of just push it in like this, and you can see on the back. So when you have the hole puncher, it takes off all this stuff, but it just gets hidden anyways. It's no big deal. So you can see how it's like this, and then I put the bigger one back behind it. And we're actually going to take a piece of wood block and put it down, and this little stopper goes on the front side. It fits in perfectly right there, and you'll be able to feel how it just goes right into that groove. Okay, and then this piece right here, it goes perfectly onto this side, to the wider side. You can feel it kind of just fit right into the groove so that it's like nice and sturdy. On the wood block, just do a little hammer. Like 3 is all it takes, and you can see that it hides all those little frays of fabric, and then it's nice and hammered in there, and you have a perfect eyelet. Okay, next I'm going to show you guys how I do the pliers. Okay, the pliers come with all these little tools, and what they are for is if you want to use it to punch the holes. to punch these holes. Now when you buy this pliers, you get all these directions what to use. But this is essentially the same thing as the tool with the hammer. It had the stopper on the bottom, and then the other, the other thing on the top. So you're just going to squeeze the eyelet in there. And here's one that's ready. Just going to push it in there. Put this other one on the back side. Make sure all those little, and then the yellow stopper thing goes on the front piece, and this just goes like that, and it's done. How easy, right? I'm just going to proceed and do the rest of them.
All right, now my blue bucket bag is back in action. Isn't it cute? I still think I need to wash it though. I'm not sure how to wash with a leather handle. I gotta look that up. But yeah, this is my new sewing pattern, the bucket bag. And you guys can head over to my shop. The description is down below and purchase it. It's such a cute, easy bag. Great for beginners. And you can really get a more, more professional feel. It's super easy to put on the leather handle. And now you know how to do the eyelets, no problem. And I hope you guys will go check it out. I also have this other version of the bag that is really cute too. And this is the exact same thing except 2 handles. And instead of the 12 eyelets, this only has 8 eyelets. And it gives a different shape to the bag. See those 2 differences? Very cute. Thank you guys. See you soon.